Hi. Welcome to Prime Evil Whirl. Push her right out of the way. The queen. We are here at Living in Diz's number 5 greatest queue.
Prime Evil Whirl.
We love it. I mean, look at this theming. Is it Disney? No, we don't think so. But look at the effort in this whole area. We're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out, enjoy. Number 5.
Futuristic.
Yeah, it's like it gives you a futuristic feel, but not for these times, but if you were actually in the 50s, I feel like, is what it gives you. So it's really different. It's a different theme from anything else. It's theme parkish.
It doesn't even feel like Disney.
It doesn't, but it's just a family favorite and very unique theming. So it is number 5.
Excuse me.
Clocking in at number 3 for our Animal Kingdom all-time favorite queue.
Navi River Journey.
Mouthful of candy. Guess I should have checked first. But that is it. At a healthy 120 minutes wait time and no fast pass, we're not going on that. So, take our word for it. It is a queue that is much like Flight of Passage, not quite as good, but it's more of the native side of things, and it's great. I mean, it's part of everything else here on Pandora, so we're gonna go with that. Number 3, our number 2 queue for Living in Diz in Animal Kingdom is none other than Everest.
Expedition Everest.
Why do you think so? I mean, it's grand. Look at it. Look at the ride itself. Look at the mountain itself. It immerses you, which makes it a great queue. The theming is awesome, and there's just so much work that's been put into it with these flags and statues, and you really feel like you're in that region. So that's our number 2. Time to move on to number 1. You like that? Well, you probably could have guessed it before you even started this video, but how could you not have this as your number 1 Animal Kingdom queue for theming and everything?
Flight of Passage.
Of Passage. Your thoughts?
Best queue.
Hands down. I mean, look at the work in this queue alone. I mean, it's amazing. This is a movie set. It's a real planet. It's crazy. We'll go take a quick look inside.
Okay, first we need to find a compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have.
We didn't get to show you the entire queue because we actually got a fast pass for Flight of Passage. So I showed you what I could. That was the fast pass lane. So #1 queue for Living in Diz.
And yes, this is the best queue in all of Disney World, in my opinion. In Living in Diz's opinion. But even though it may be super, super long to get inside the ride, like the queue or anything, I suggest you do it because it's like all sciencey and stuff. There's just a lot to look at.
A lot of experiments taking place, and really cool to see the way they display all these science experiments, as well as you get to see an actual Navi submerged in water. And man, it looks real. It looks real. But those are our favorite queues in all of Animal Kingdom. So for now, I'm Corey, and Jillian's over there. We'll be back again for another one of our rankings of this or that.
We will be.
Trust her. If you like this video, please like, subscribe.
Turn on the notification bell and comment for future video suggestions.
Because when you share with your friends, they share and they share, and it goes a long way. We really appreciate
it. Means a lot to us.
So please subscribe. For now, I'm Corey.
I'm Jillian.
And we're
Living in Diz.
There's Mom.